I'm a user of Figma, but I'm kind of tired of paying like $20 a month for something that I'm not a UI designer, but I kind of like the ability to knock designs out real quick. So let's replace Figma with something self-hosted. Penpot. It is very, very similar to Figma. And while they have a hosted service, we can self-host, and it is insanely easy to set up. I am going to set this up. I'm using an Unraid server, but if you are running Zima or Umbrel or TrueNAS, or you're just running a Linux server that has Docker, this is as good. There is no dedicated Unraid setup though, which is a bit annoying. Anyway, first, make a directory. So I'm going to mkdir in my mount. So wherever your app data is going to sit, mount user app data. Then I'm going to make a directory Penpot. Then I'm going to cd into that. So cd mount user app data Penpot. See, there's nothing in it. Now, all I'm going to do, I'll have this in my Patreon as well. Just copy and paste in the curl docker compose, done like that. And quite literally, all you need to do is run docker compose. Again, this will be in the Patreon for free, and let that pull. I have pulled this already. It's a lot quicker for me, but that's basically it. Once we are all good, I can do this, docker ps, and we'll see Penpot is running on 9001. So I'm going to go to the IP address of the server and port 9001, and that's it. I'm going to create an account and create a password, and done. This is creating an account on your local, nothing remote. So I'm just going to whatever. Where was I? Figma. Next, I'm just going to do designing the UX of an app. Start. Continue without a team. I believe that self-host will allow you to do a team. Now I'm going to go into my account settings, change the UI to light because I can't deal with dark mode. Create new file. It is so quick. Done. Now, if you're used to Figma, let's create a frame, and then I'm going to do an image in the frame, and then I'm going to do some text right there. All right. Change my font. Let's make it bigger. Let's add a radius, say 25 radius. Let's make this a bit bigger. Oh, it's Figma. It's basically Figma. Export, done. Can do your assets, all of that sort of thing. You can prototype. It's everything you would expect in Figma, but a little simpler. Let's have a look. A library. I'm going to import a library file. Let's have a look at my wireframing kit. So yeah, it's everything you would expect from Figma. Very similar configurations. So if I want to share, there is a share function. Click the share and click share, and it will give you a link. However, this is linked to the IP address of the server. So I'm just going to set up with Pangolin, and like anything else, go into Pangolin, go into resources. I'll call this design, and I'll give it the subdomain design target, and I want the server 192.168.60.111, and the port is 9001. Create resource. Because this, I would be sharing this with clients, I'm turning off access control. If I go into design, give it a moment to generate an SSL, and now I can log in. And now I'm logged in on the URL. Click in the project, click in share, get link, and now we actually have a shareable link that I can give to a client and show them the design. So everything you want with Figma, but self-hosted. So Penpot, really great.